Hey guys, I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a gaming review of the Samsung Galaxy A51, and this phone comes with Samsung Exynos 9611 chipset with 6 GB of RAM and a 128 GB internal storage, and this phone is costing around 54,000 PKR in Pakistan market right now. And also we have a very big 6.5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display, and also we have a infinity or display. Samsung called as infinity on display, but it is a hole punch display inside the Super AMOLED display, which is also really small on the A51. In this video I'm gonna show you how the Samsung Galaxy A51 is performed in the gaming wise, and we have two games, and the first I'm gonna show you is the S49, and the second I'm gonna show you PUBG Mobile. So first I'm gonna launching the S49, and let's see. And guys, the game is on, so let's go to the settings and show you the display settings. And you can see visual quality, it is on the default. So, and we don't have a 60 frames per second option on this phone. So let's play. And now let's see. And now guys, you can see that we have a full screen experience. we don't have a we don't have a black bar right now, and you can see right now game is no lag. I notice right now game is run very smooth, but we don't have a 60 frames per second option. But again, game is very smooth, and you can see I notice one lag. I hope you can see, but right now overall we don't have any lag, and the graphics is also really good on this Super AMOLED display. You know that Super AMOLED display, it is one of the best displays on the market. And let's play another level and let's see how the A51 is performed in this one more round. You can see in the start I noticed some lags, game is not run smooth, but after that, after 1 or 2 seconds, game is run smooth. But this is a minor lags, I have to say, not very huge lags. I have to say you don't feel any lag while play this game. Lags is very minor on this phone, and you can see very small lag, but overall game is run very smooth, and this phone is run very well, and this phone is performed very good in this S49 game. You can see again small lag. Exynos 9611 chipset is handling this game very well. And guys, you can see that Exynos 9611 chipset is handling the S19 very well. And now let's see the PUBG Mobile. And you can see game is on, so let's go to the graphics option, and you can see you can also play this game on smooth with extreme settings. And also we have a balance HD. HDR is also available with the ultra option. So let's play. Let's little bit move around and show you the game. It is run on and you can see game is run very smooth. We don't have a lag right now. And now let's play on HDR with ultra settings. You can see I notice little bit lags, but overall game is run very smooth. Now let's grab some things. And guys, you can see that game is run very smooth. We don't have any lag right now. And guys, you can see that the Samsung Exynos 9611 chipset is performed really good in this game, and I play on HDR with ultra settings. We don't have any lag, and we also have a, let's go to the graphics again, and we also have a smooth with extreme settings. This option will give you a very smooth. After that, in extreme settings, you definitely see a difference between HDR on ultra settings with a smooth on extreme settings. And also we don't have any heating issue. I play about 8 or 9 minutes. We don't have any heating issue right now. And guys, you can see that the Samsung Galaxy A51 is performed really good in the gaming review, and this phone is definitely good for gaming. I definitely recommend this phone for gaming if you need a Samsung gaming phone. Overall, I have to say that the games is run very smooth on this phone. We don't have any lag. And thank you so much for watching this gaming test of the Samsung Galaxy A51. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and let me know what you guys think about this Samsung Galaxy A51, and let me know what kind of more videos you want to see regarding the Samsung Galaxy A51. I definitely recommend this phone for gaming if you need a Samsung phone. Overall, we don't have any heating issue. The battery size on this phone is a 4000 mAh battery size that support 15-watt fast charging right out the box. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.